Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the tablet and confirming basic prerequisites. Battery above 20%, SIM installed if needed, and your Wi-Fi name plus password at hand. Tap through any initial OS prompts and set language and time. These influence network detection. Once done, make sure location and Wi-Fi permissions are enabled so networks appear. If prompted, create or sign into an account. This unlocks App Store and backups. Now go to Settings to start the network connection process. In Settings, open Wi-Fi and toggle it on. The tablet scans and lists SSIDs. Tap your network name and type the password exactly, watching for uppercase characters. Use the eye icon to verify. Once connected, check signal strength and confirm the tablet obtained an IP address. This verifies DHCP. If needed, choose advanced options to set a static IP or proxy. You should also adjust network profile to private or trusted if using home devices, after connecting, open a browser and load a page, then update an app to confirm full internet access. This proves DNS and routing work. Once verified, enable Auto Connect and set backups or sync preferences so data stays current. If you encounter problems, restart the router, then the tablet. That clears common stalls. If still offline, forget the network and rejoin or reset network settings in System Right Arrow Reset. These steps fix most issues. Contact your ISP if outages persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.